Welcome to this video, where we will tackle a common problem encountered when working with PowerShell scripts. The issue at hand revolves around providing a list of allowed names to a parameter, specifically for tab completion. The scenario involves setting up a ValidateSet with a custom-defined class that implements ValidateSetValuesGenerator. However, attempting to use this setup in a PowerShell script runs into an error, unable to find a custom class foo. Now, let's delve into the solution to this problem. One approach is to define a function within the script and .source it, allowing the validation to work correctly. By creating the foo class and the getFoo function in the script, the parameter validation using ValidateSetFoo can function as intended. Moving forward with the solution, another option is to utilize the ValidateSetAttribute, perm's string valid values, overload for runtime evaluation. By directly specifying the valid values within the ValidateSetAttribute, you can achieve the desired tab completion behavior without encountering errors. Continuing with the solution path, you can also .source the file containing the custom class foo before running the script to ensure that the custom validation set is accessible during execution. Incorporating these strategies into your PowerShell scripts will enable seamless validation of input parameters and enhance the user experience. In summary, when faced with the challenge of defining a list of allowed names for tab completion in PowerShell scripts, employing strategies such as sourcing custom classes, using runtime evaluation with ValidateSet, or organizing script dependencies effectively can help overcome obstacles and streamline the script execution process. Thank you for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Happy scripting!